I will show you how to identify the partitions, whether it is GPT or MBR. I have to open my computer, then select any of the partitions, then click properties, then you have to click hardware, then select your hard disk. Again you have to click properties. In the properties window it will show you volumes. In the volume window, then click populate option. If you click populate option, it will show you the partition style of your hard disk. Presently your hard disk partition is master boot record. If it is GPT, means GUID partition table it will show. Presently your laptop is master boot record partition. Your hard disk is master boot record partition style.